Our workshops are preventative and unique, and we use a wide variety of immersive learning experiences. They dispel the myths around knife crime and knife carrying, and they teach young people about the link between choices and consequences. They have been proven to change young people's attitudes and values, and to ensure that knife carrying is seen as socially unacceptable amongst peer groups. Our interactive workshops include facilitated activities, role play, immersive theatrical spaces, powerful films and visual displays. But most importantly, they provide a safe space for young people to explore this complex issue and to understand that knife crime is not inevitable. We share Ben's story, but also other stories of young people and their families who have been devastated by knife crime, to show the potential impact that choosing to carry a knife can have.